Hope from Hope Embroidery, and today I'll be showing you ray stitch. You can see a few sections here where I've already used this stitch. Ray stitch is super simple. All you'll be doing is laying down straight stitches that radiate out from one corner of your square. So for these squares I used 7 straight stitches, and you can use a different number of stitches depending on the size of your shape and your desired effect. I'm doing squares here, but you could really fill in any sort of shape you like. And when you fill in an entire shape with these mini shapes, all stitched using ray stitch, you can see it produces a pretty interesting texture. Now I've started by laying down 3 straight stitches in the center and on each side, and now I'll fill in the gaps. This helps me to keep my stitches more even. So repeat those same steps for each shape. Try to have some patience with yourself because this does take a bit of time, especially compared to satin stitch, and have fun. I have written and photo tutorials for this and other stitches and techniques in my blog. Be sure to check that out if you think it'd be helpful.